Hi, this is Ridham Shah. I'll be showing you how to make social distancing safety card using ultrasonic sensor. This was my TL cohort project. We'll start with looking at the components required. First is the microcontroller. We'll be using Arduino Uno. Secondly, we need to measure the distance so as to mark a virtual boundary of say 1 meter, 1.5 meters. For that, we'll be using an ultrasonic sensor. Next is the buzzer module. We need something to alert us if someone is closer to us. Next, we look at the schematics so that we get a general idea of how the connections are to be made. We'll start with the buzzer. The ground of the buzzer is connected to the ground of the Arduino. Then we have the positive terminal connected to 13th pin. So when we send the signal to the digital pin 13 using the logic, the buzzer buzzes. Then we have the ultrasonic sensor. The ground is connected to the ground. VCC of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to 5 volts. This is how we power the sensor. Next is the trick pin. So the trick pin is connected to digital pin 6. Basically, the microcontroller sends a trigger signal to the ultrasonic sensor using this trick pin. When triggered, ultrasonic sensor sends an echo and initiates a time counter. When the echo is received, the timer stops. We use our knowledge of speed of sound to calculate the distance. The input from echo pin helps us to do that. Here we associate the pin numbers with a variable to make it more understandable. Just so we understand which pin number is for what. So for the trigger pin, we have trick pin. For echo, we have echo pin. For buzzer, we have buzz pin. Next, we also define the duration to store the time measured by the ultrasonic sensor and the distance variable to store the calculated distance using this duration which we get. Next, we have void setup. So in void setup, we have pin modes. These are basic functions which are just used to define the state of the pin with respect to the board. So we send the signal to the trick pin. So trick pin is associated as output. Then echo pin as input, buzz pin as again as output. We also use serial begin for the serial monitor. Next we have a void loop. So in void loop we use a digital write function. So this function basically takes two inputs, the pin on which it is going to write and what it is going to write, that is whether it is going to write high or low. To trigger the ultrasonic sensor, we send a pulse of width 1 millisecond to trick pin. Then we use the echo pin to calculate the duration. From the datasheet of ultrasonic sensor, we get this formula to obtain the distance, which we have here. Uh, then, just to check whether everything works properly, I will use the serial monitor to display the distance. So we use serial.println to display the distance. Next, we have just a basic logic using the if statement. So if the distance is less than 100 centimeters, this is in centimeters. So if the distance is less than 100 centimeters, we use digital write on buzz pin and send the signal as low. The buzzer module actually works opposite to what generally we see when you need to make a buzzing sound. We send low to the buzzer module, and when we need it to stay quiet, we send an high signal to the buzzer pin. So if the distance is less than 100, the buzzer will buzz, and if it is not, then the buzzer does not buzz. We also use a delay of 60 milliseconds. This is just so we do not overburden the microprocessor. Then next we'll move on to the demonstration. So this was a short tutorial on social distancing safety card. You can add further improvements onto this. And yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.